Hi guys, we're playing Minecraft and this is my player. Higda ka boy. Boy. His name is B-Boy. B-Boy is his name. So we're gonna this. This. And this is
Bobby!
what? Ano? Wait lang.